with another premium pre-owned piece here at Stettler Dodge. 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, 34,000 K. As I said, it's a GT with the blacktop package. You've got a black grille here. You've got the black kind of pockets in the rims. You've got the roof racks are taken off. They can be installed, but they're taken off, kind of give it a more sleek look. Besides, there's lots of room in here to store a lot of stuff, guys. Especially the family. Very functional. Go look in the cab here. Power doors, one pull or on the fob. You can open the door by power, both sides and the rear. You'll see the leather seating back here. This particular one has had WeatherTech mats in it the whole time for protection. With that, if you wanted to take these out, you could take this and go the seat with one shot of your hand there. You go like this, it'll fold down into the floor, and you can make this all flat in here, all for storage or cargo. That's one of the cool things about the Grand Caravan. Moving forward, one pull of the handle, it'll close. Oh, I wanted to show you before. See here, you're not going to kill the kids. Nobody's going to hurt or lose their fingers or anything like that. It may pinch them, let them cry, but they won't die. So there's some safety features in the doors if the children are running around while you're trying to keep the doors closed. Okay, same thing here. So I've laid this one down here for you just to kind of see the functional and really good way flexibility that you can run these Grand Caravans. You can have a seat down here, put some more storage here, have a couple kids here, a couple kids there. So they're really great for family life, you guys. A lot of people are scared to say I'm driving a minivan, but once they do, they never ever go back when they have the kids. Ask Sienna behind the camera. She's got one herself. Thumbs up. Yeah, got a thumbs up. All right, let's show you inside the cabin. Hey, it's me. There you are. Hi, I'm back. We're inside the cabin of the Grand Caravan 2017, 35,435 kilometers. As I said, this thing's leather, so you've got all the space in the back. The driver can be really comfortable. You have heated seats, heated steering wheel here. You have the Uconnect system up here with hands-free phone. Again, we put 3 months free satellite radio Sirius on every one of our pre-owned vehicles. Here's your row to open all the doors. Buttons up there. Everybody out. And you kind of yell that. Anyway, come on in, check this out, test drive. We have other vans similar to this, but yeah, thanks for stopping in.